Alright, let us continue and look at another problem of a complex number. We are given that z is equal to minus 3 plus 4i, and we are also told that ZW is equal to minus 14 plus 2i. So these are the two equations that we are provided with. By showing clear workings, we should find W in the form. So the first problem, we should find W in the form A plus BI, where A and B are real numbers, where A is an element of a real number and B is also an element of a real number. And number B, they want us to find the modulus and the argument of W. They want the modulus and argument of W. So this is exactly what we want. Now the question will be, how do we go about solving that? That is always the question. How do we go about solving that? I think the first thing that we need to do in here, we need to find W in the form A plus BI, where A and B are element of real numbers. Now, what I will do, if you look, you have Z multiplied by your W, and that's exactly what we can do. We can take Z and multiply that with our W and see what we can get. Now, I know that Z equals minus 3 plus 4i and ZW equals minus 14 plus 2i. This is exactly what I know. And they want us to find W. And when you look into this, I can divide by W, divide by W. Z equals minus 14 plus 2i divided by W. And I can say that Z equals W equals this divided by Z. So this is W divided by Z, and I can say that W equals minus 14 plus 2i divided by Z, and there is my Z, minus 3 plus 4i. And what I can do here, I can multiply by the conjugate of this. I can multiply by minus 3 minus 4i minus 3 minus 4i. This is what I can do, and I can say that W equals 14 times 3, 14, 14, 14, 4, 8, 12. That will be 42. So I will get 42 plus 14, 6, 5. I will get 56. I minus 6, minus 6i minus 8i squared being divided by 9 plus 12i minus 12i minus 16, minus 16i squared. And then when I'm in here, I can say that W equals 42. What is 56 minus 6? And that is a 50I minus 8 into minus 1. This into this goes once. You have 9 minus 16 into minus 1. And if all this is fine, I can say 42 plus 50I plus 8 divided by 9 plus 16. And taking that to this side, I can say 48 plus 8, that's 50. 50 plus 50I divided by 16, I think this is 25. And this is W, remember. And I can say that this is 50 divided by 25. 50 divided by 25. 2 plus 2I. Remember they said find W in the form A plus BJ, where A is an element of a real number and B is an element of a real number. So this will be the value of my W. Right. So in that form, there it is in this form. Now I can go to number B. And now in number B, I can try and find the modulus and the argument of W. I know that W equals 2 plus